Hello and very welcome to Gävle plant. I will today, together with some of my colleagues, make a presentation on two really successful lean workshops from Gävle plant. The first presentation will be about yield improvement, and that is a concept that was originally designed in this plant early 2009 and has now been spread to many other plants within Leaf with good success. The second presentation will be about just-in-time, which is a systematic improvement of taking away unnecessary work on the line, and by that secure that productivity increases dramatically.
Yield is a measure of how well we use our raw materials. If we put in 100 kilos of raw materials, in this instance gum arabic, and get out 90 kilos of finished product, Läkerol, we have a yield of 90%. The rest is losses and also saving potential. In April 2009, we designed a workshop to find the yield losses in a very structured way, using cross-functional teams in an 8-hour workshop. In the yield workshop, we followed the line from left to right and looked at different risks of yield losses. We had 4 types of risks that we looked at. The first one is leakage. Next one is wrong composition due to technical or man error. Third one is cleaning loss, and the last one is machine breakdown. If we take this tank, which is a flavoring tank for gum arabic, for an example, we found no leakages during the workshop. However, we found the risk of wrong composition, the blue one, and we found the cleaning loss, a green one. The next step is to quantify the losses, and we did that by determining the frequency and the amount of loss each time. We also calculated the value of this loss. We did the same exercise for all the equipment from left to right of the line. To prioritize the tasks that we found, we used this matrix with savings and costs. So from our example, we have our 2 tags. What is interesting is that most of the actions are low cost and rather low savings, but simple ones. In total, we found 62 actions and we solved 80% in 8 weeks' time, giving us an annual saving of about 280,000 euros.
So we are now at the flip-top line where we produce all Läkerols. On this line we did in May last year a really successful just-in-time workshop. And the workshop itself is a 2-day workshop, and the first day is really about understanding how it looks today. And the second day is more on brainstorming a new layout to make it as lean and as productive as possible.
What we learned from the first day's spaghetti diagrams was that the operators move a lot in this layout. All over the place, from here, over here, here, back again, here, always moving, and this is not creating any value for the customer. So main objective for this exercise was simply to shrink the area as much as possible. We managed to reduce the area used almost by half, and this together with standardized work for the operators has made it possible to reduce manning and also, of course, raise productivity on the line.
Lean production is all about behavior. You can create as many standards as you want, but it won't take you to the goal. As you have seen out in the production, we have 2 nice projects going on. One is the JIT project and the other one is the yield project. Those 2 projects together has gained us 15% lower cost prices for demand. For the future, that will create a factory that is strong and competitive compared to all of you in the Leaf Group. So my advice to you all is to focus on the behavior of the people and try to continuously improve your business.